The telephone doesn't work. Hi, hello. Hey, I know you. How are you? Bien? Está bien. Good to see you. Yeah, my first time here. I lost my friend.
Mine too.
Yeah, I have to find him because he has all my camping stuff. So I follow this camper because he just newcome. Probably he look for parking space. Maybe the empty ones. My friend's probably there too. I guess so. Ciao. So here comes another car. Yeah, this is what I was gonna say. To follow the car, probably find my friend. Oh, nice. Nice painted, the car. Maybe in one of these streets. Pardon. Nice man, yeah man. This dude, he's not here, but he has didgeridoo and djembe. Hey, that's cool. Good luck, buddy. Nice, so much trust. Put it here. The price. I don't know where he saved the money. Hi. Hey. Oh, it's probably this dude. Hola. Hi. You know where the showers are?
Yes, we think so.
This way?
You have to end this
Okay,
thing,
okay.
and then to the right.
It's also nice. One side out this side, one side the other. That's cool. Those rocks up there. Oh, these are the showers. Okay, Yaro is not here. Need to call his name. Yaro! These are the tippies. These are the ones from the festival. They rent these. There's a reception. So you can rent one of these. Nice and fresh. That's the shit. I found you. I was up there looking. I saw the car. I was like, oh, probably this is the car, but I don't see. I have no glasses on. And I thought maybe it's you, so I will come down to check. Yeah, I found you. What's your name?
I'm Clara.
Clara, here's the cable. Check this out.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I will take it back.
Don't you dare not bring it back because I have your video. Have fun. Yeah, man. Wow. It's kind of flat. So I guess sun is going down like this. Coming up like this. So I think this would be nice, this area. So I think here, because in the morning sun comes up here, I have some shade. Yeah. And in the afternoon I have full shade from this car. I put so close. I hope they don't mind. But what do you think? Yeah, where do you think?
Nice. From here, they need some place.
Hey, they can pass from here. But also, oh, you have this. You want to add where? Om Namaste. Okay, that's cool. So you think on this side? Cinnamon is boiling, man. Yeah, the dance floor is right here. I can see it from here. And I heard there is 1 or 2 more stages. For now, I'm still taking my time, putting everything inside. I'm not sure if I go dance floor. I mean, I will go in dance floor at some point, but probably by the time I go, it's already dark. So, yeah, also pretty tired, man. I want to go to dance floor full power, full color. You know what I mean, right? So, yeah, just take my time. My friends already went off to take shower. I will take my time, put everything, organize everything because I will be here for a few days. And then I want to get to know around a little bit, my neighborhood, see who's there, know my neighbors a little bit. Then probably cook something to eat, land a little bit. From tomorrow we're gonna blast. So yeah, man. No, maybe also already tonight. I don't know. Let's see. For now, I'm have to do some things. I want to organize this kind of shit so my mind is free from this, and then I can go party. Otherwise, if I go party, even if everything is like chaotic here and I'm still tired, I'm not 18 anymore. So. عجیب میگم دیگه بچه 18 ساله نیستم دیگه. رسیدم اینجا خب هیجانم خیلی ندارم، میتونم برم، هیجان دارم ولی اونقدر که نه که دیگه حالا اینا رو ولش کن بعدن. چون تو الان 6 تا فستیوال رفتم، این هفتمی امسال. دارم دیگه خود وسیله ها جمع جور میکنم، بچه‌ها رفتن دوش بگیرن بیان، بعدا یه چیزی دود کنیم، یه دونه غذا درست کنیم بخوریم اینا، امشب رو ریلکس کنیم، فردا در خدمت شما هستیم. apparently, or paintings. Dub stage. Fucking dark. Nice first day, first landing. I went around a little bit, it was quite nice.